Have you ever wondered about the world's largest lake that once existed? Welcome to an exploration of the Paratethys, a prehistoric colossal water body that once covered a significant portion of our planet. Imagine a lake of such magnitude that it dwarfed today's Caspian Sea, the current title holder for the world's largest lake. The Paratethys, stretching from the heart of Europe to Central Asia, was a sight to behold during its zenith in the Miocene epoch, some 23 million years ago. A thriving hub of biodiversity, this ancient lake was home to a myriad of aquatic species, some of which have no counterparts in the modern world. A watery wonderland, it painted a picture quite different from the landscape we see today. So fasten your seatbelts and prepare for a journey back in time. Let's delve into the depths of history and uncover the mystery of this gigantic lake. The story of Paratethys begins around 34 million years ago. Picture a time when the world looked quite different than it does today. A period in Earth's history known as the Eocene epoch, when colossal continental plates were on the move. It was during this era that the birth of a giant occurred, Paratethys, the world's largest lake. Now, you may be wondering, how does a lake of such magnitude come into existence? Well, the answer lies in the grand dance of the continents. The Eurasian and African continental plates, two of the Earth's 7 major tectonic plates, began a slow and powerful collision. This monumental clash forced the Earth's crust upwards, creating a vast basin between the colliding plates. And so, Paratethys was born. This massive body of water was no ordinary lake. Its expanse was so vast, it spanned multiple countries across what we now know as Europe and Asia. From the eastern fringes of the Alps to the western borders of the Himalayas, Paratethys was a titan among lakes. But it wasn't just its size that was impressive. The depth of Paratethys was equally awe-inspiring. Plunging to depths of more than 1,000 feet, it was a world unto itself, harboring a diverse array of aquatic life that thrived in its deep dark waters. The birth of Paratethys was an event of such geological significance that it forever changed the landscape of our planet. It shaped the continents, influenced the climate, and provided a unique habitat for an array of species, some of which have since vanished, leaving only fossil records behind. The creation of Paratethys was a testament to the immense power and dynamic nature of our planet. It's a reminder that Earth is constantly changing, ever evolving, and full of surprises. Thus, the stage was set for the emergence of the world's largest lake, opening. As the eons passed, Paratethys began to change. In a dance as old as the Earth itself, the shifting tectonic plates beneath Paratethys sparked a series of transformations that would redefine the face of this colossal body of water. Over millions of years, geological shifts caused the vast Paratethys to fragment, giving birth to a multitude of smaller seas and lakes, each with its own unique ecosystem. With each passing era, the once unified Paratethys began to take on a new form, its waters ebbing and flowing in response to the whims of the planet's ever-changing climate. At times, the waters of Paratethys swelled, inundating the surrounding lands and reshaping the geography of entire regions. Then, in drier epochs, the water levels fell, revealing stretches of land that had been hidden beneath the waves for countless millennia. These fluctuations in water levels were not mere geological curiosities. They had profound impacts on the regions surrounding Paratethys. Lands that were once submerged became fertile plains, giving rise to diverse ecosystems and supporting a wealth of life. Conversely, areas that were once verdant oases became arid deserts as the waters retreated. The wildlife of Paratethys too was subject to these relentless changes. As the waters of Paratethys split into smaller bodies, the creatures that called these waters home had to adapt or perish. Some species evolved to thrive in the newly formed freshwater lakes, while others took to the brackish waters of the smaller seas. Over time, these shifts led to an explosion of biodiversity, with each new body of water nurturing its own unique array of life. Yet, despite these dramatic transformations, the legacy of Paratethys lived on. Its waters continued to shape the world, influencing the climate, geography, and wildlife of vast regions. Even in its fragmented state, Paratethys remained a force of nature, a testament to the power and resilience of our planet. Closing. And so, the mighty Paratethys was transformed, leaving only traces of its former glory. Today, the remnants of Paratethys can still be seen. This ancient supersea whispers its tale through the bodies of water it left behind, the most notable being the Caspian Sea, the largest inland body of water in the world today. Encompassing a vast stretch of the Eurasian continent, these water bodies are silent storytellers, narrating the saga of a time long past. Delving into the depths, scientists have discovered a treasure trove of fossils and geological evidence that bear testament to Paratethys' existence. Amongst these relics, marine fossils paint a picture of the rich biodiversity that once thrived in its waters. Fossilized shells, teeth of ancient sharks, and remnants of extinct marine creatures all provide clues to the life that once flourished here. The significance of Paratethys extends beyond its own history. It acts as a time capsule, helping us to understand Earth's climatic, geographic, and biological evolution. Even though Paratethys is long gone, its legacy lives on. Uncovering its secrets helps us to better understand our planet's past and perhaps its future. Let's recap the fascinating journey of Paratethys. We have traveled through the eons to witness the birth of this colossal lake, born from the tectonic shifts that shaped our world. From a tiny freshwater body, it evolved into a marine giant, its waters teeming with a myriad of life forms, some of which are found nowhere else. We've seen how, over time, the Paratethys witnessed drastic transformations, from its peak as a sprawling sea to its eventual fragmentation into the smaller bodies of water we see today. Despite these changes, the legacy of the Paratethys lives on, not just in the geological records, but also in the unique biodiversity it fostered. Our journey doesn't have to end here. The story of Paratethys is a testament to the ever-changing nature of our planet. It encourages us to delve deeper, to explore more, and to appreciate the intricate tapestry of Earth's history. In the grand tapestry of Earth's history, Paratethys holds a unique and unforgettable place. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the past.